Okay, we're getting in news now that there's a massive political row that has erupted because of Nitesh Rane, who has made a comment, and a rather insensitive one. He has called Kerala as mini Pakistan, and the Congress has been quick to react on that remark. They have raised questions. They have even asked that in what capacity has Mr. Rane made these comments about the state. In fact, they're saying that questions should be asked from the Prime Minister, from the Home Minister, and even from JP Nadda, whether they are going to fight next elections from Kerala, because according to them, Kerala is now Pakistan. So this is the latest. This is the latest controversy with this remark that has been made with Mr. Rane about the state of Kerala.
महाराष्ट्र सरकार में मंत्री हैं नीतीश राणे और बीजेपी के नेता भी हैं। उन्होंने केरल को मिनी पाकिस्तान कहा है और कहा है कि इसी की वजह से राहुल गांधी और प्रियंका गांधी वहां पर जीतते हैं।
पूछिए उनको, उनकी पार्टी के नेता से, जेपी नड्डा से, अमित शाह से, नरेंद्र मोदी से, उनको उनसे जवाब पूछिए ना कि क्या आप केरला में अगला चुनाव लड़ेंगे? तो पाकिस्तान हो गया अब उनके हिसाब से, तो वहां चुनाव भी नहीं लड़ना चाहिए, उनको केरला यूनिट बंद कर देना चाहिए बीजेपी का। ये किस तरह की वाहियात बातें कर रहे हैं? तभी हम कहते हैं संविधान के खिलाफ है। तभी यही एक देखिए, रोज ये उत्तर देते हैं जब हम इन पर आरोप लगाते हैं कि संविधान के खिलाफ हैं, रोज इनका कोई न कोई नेता इस तरह की वाहियात बात करके हमारी बात को साबित करता है।
Congress party taking huge objections to the choice of words and the statement and even the comparison that has been made by the BJP MLA, wherein he has likened Kerala, the state of Kerala, to Pakistan. In fact, he calls it mini Pakistan. So, as you can expect, a massive row has erupted over Nitesh Rane's comment calling Kerala as mini Pakistan, and the Congress party has now raised objections and has even posed a similar question to the Prime Minister and the Home Minister Amit Shah, asking whether they're going to be fighting the next election from the state of Kerala, because according to their own leader, it is Pakistan, a mini Pakistan. Yesha joins us now for more on this. Yesha, in what capacity did Mr. Nitesh Rane make this comparison and use the words that he has to describe the state of Kerala?
In fact, now the fact that this statement has been made, we've known that the BJP leader, Nitesh Rane, who's also a minister in the Maharashtra government, has often made controversial remarks when it comes to equating the Muslim community or taking a stance on them. Right here, this is a statement that has come in from Nitesh Rane, wherein he's called Kerala as a mini Pakistan, particularly with the reference stating that that is the reason why Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra win from Kerala. This very statement that has been made by Nitesh Rane, in fact, has had several criticisms from the opposition leaders. In fact, we've heard how leaders from the opposition, that is from the NCP Sharad Pawar faction, or for that matter also from Congress, have gone further and questioned that when it comes to a person who is in the ministerial role, he should have some responsibilities and cannot make such statements which are controversial in itself. But here particularly, we've also heard how Congress leaders have said that this is irresponsible on the part of the Chief Minister as well as the Prime Minister, wherein a minister who takes the pledge for unity is trying to divide folk. Yes.
Absolutely. Yesha, stay on with me. Udit Raj from the Congress party is also joining us. Good morning, Mr. Udit Raj. This is the latest now coming in from the state of Maharashtra. You have Nitesh Rane, who has drawn a comparison to mini Pakistan, to Pakistan. He is calling the state of Kerala to be a mini Pakistan. How do you react and respond?
First of all, you should have not taken such questions. It's a rubbish. And one, because one, and second is that then what the central government is doing, that the Kerala is infested with the terrorists. And then third, that why BJP fielded the candidate. What are they doing? That means they are incompetent and they don't deserve to be to rule the government at the center. So it's a rubbish.
All right. So you think it's an absolutely non-issue and nonsensical comment that has been made by the BJP MLA, Mr. Udit Raj. Thank you so much for speaking to CNN News 18. Let's also take a look at some other political reactions that have come in.
मिनी पाकिस्तानच आहे केरळ, म्हणूनच तो राहुल गांधी तिथे निवडून आता त्यांची बहीण निवडून येते. सगळे अतिरेकीच त्याला मतदान करतात. खरंच आहे, विचारा. ते काय अतिरेकींना धरूनच ते लोक खासदार झालेले आहेत. आणि म्हणून आपल्याला सांगतो,
नहीं, उनसे और क्या अलग अपेक्षा हम कर सकते हैं। मैं और कुछ उनके स्तर पर जाकर बात नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन एक बात मुझे मोदी जी से और देवेंद्र फडणवीस दोनों से पूछना है कि अपने ही प्रदेश को पाकिस्तान कहकर कोई मंत्रिमंडल में कैसे रह सकता है। आप एकात्मता और अखंडता की शपथ लेते हो संविधान की, और उसके बाद अपने ही लोगों को टेररिस्ट कहते हो, तो वो व्यक्ति मंत्रिमंडल में कैसे रह सकता है। अपेक्षा करता हूं देशभक्ति की बड़ी बड़ी बात करने वाले नरेंद्र मोदी जी से और देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी से कि ऐसे लोग मंत्रिमंडल में ना रहे।
Chief Minister must take cognizance of this kind of utterance and must warn him publicly, take action against him and ask him to step down from the cabinet ministry. Because when a man becomes cabinet minister, he is preceded by triple oath of Constitution of India. One at the time of filing nomination, second at the time of entering assembly, and third at the time when ministry is given to him. Triple violation of Constitution and its values, you see, by a cabinet minister is a matter of great shame. And if the chief does not take any steps against him, he is equally liable.
अहो ते मिनी पाकिस्तानच आहे केरळ. म्हणूनच तो राहुल गांधी तिथे निवडून आता त्यांची बहीण निवडून येते ना, सगळे अतिरेकीच त्याला मतदान करतात. खरंच आहे, विचारा. ते काय अतिरेकींना धरूनच ते लोक खासदार झालेले आहेत. आणि म्हणून आपल्याला सांगतो.
And with that, it's time for us to take a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be back with lots more.